Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Born Pretty haul. I took advantage of the VIP sale, which was like 60% off. And so, yeah, we're in it. I got a lot of nail polishes. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. So let's get into it. This was a free gift with purchase. It is just like a nail buffer situation. Let's go over some of the things that don't need swatched first. I got this duo, which is the nail tips glue and the nail glue remover. I wanted to try out their nail glue. I do love my Ioni from the Dollar Tree, but you know, it's always good to try different things. And I loved that it came with a remover, which when this came, it was a little unscrewed, and so it did leak a little bit. But it was like in its own package, so not too much stuff was like gross about it, but I'm really excited to try these. Maybe that'll be like a separate video to see like how well it lasts. Got some new top coat. I love that they sell it in these little packets so that you can just refill the bottle that you already own. So I got a top coat refill. Nail polishes. The alcohol pads came with the nail glue. And then last thing that like we don't have to swatch is this nail stamping plate, which I have been looking for a Bose stamping plate for a while. I love that it has the little like corset details and garter details, but I love the variety of Bose, and I like that they're really small. Some of the plates that I've gotten recently, like the images are real big or wide, and like my nails and the nails that I use are not that wide. So I loved that it was small. I also loved that it was only like $1. The VIP sale is like 60% off select items. I think it happens like once a month or something like that. So yeah, I have a backing for this. Maybe we'll add a backing to it. I got these backings off of, I think, Amazon. You don't have to put a plastic backing on your stamping plate. Come on. But I highly suggest doing it because not only does it make it easier to scrape and clean off, it adds a lot more sturdiness, and you are less likely to cut your fingers on the actual plate itself. So, all good things. Let's peel this off together, shall we? Because isn't that the most satisfying thing to do? Oh, so satisfying. All right, now we're going to get into the actual nail polishes themselves. What are these ones? Yeah, okay. These were a trio set. These come from the same collection, but they were not a trio set. And then this is a collection, and then these were like bought individually. So let's start with like the actual sets. I'm going to start with this one, and I am very excited about this one. I think at the end of the day, after I was done with the sale, this ended up being like $8 or $9. This is the Sunlit Bubbles collection, and it is a fairly newer collection that they've released. It is not magnetic. They come with instructions, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to see if I can like show you in the bottle in real time and then do like a separate swatching over here so that we don't take up too much time in the video. But these are also, I think, like 7, yeah. 7 milliliter bottles, which I really like because I'll go through huge bottles of nail polish. But this one is Sunlit Bubbles in 01, which is like a blue. And they are jelly formulas that have like these little sparkles in them that kind of look like bubbles. And I just absolutely fell in love with the swatches online of these. And I was like, I absolutely need those for summer. So this is Sunlit Bubbles 2, which is like a green jelly or like a lime jelly. And I don't know what the sparkle is in there, if it's just like a silver sparkle or a dome, but they really do look like bubbles. So I love that. Sunlit Bubbles 3, which is a yellow. Ooh, but it's much more orange. Look at that. Love that. It's like an ambery orange. Sunlit Bubbles 4, which this looks orange or red. Oh, that's like orange. Yeah, that's like a reddy orange. Sunlit Bubbles 5, which this looks like pink or red. Yeah, much more on like the pink side. And then Sunlit Bubbles 6, which looks like a purple. Oh, yes, look at that. I love that light purple, that like lavender. So very pretty. Love those, and they will be great for summer. The next collection that I got is actually a Christmas collection, and I've been eyeing it for a couple months now. And so, yeah, I'm glad that I was able to get it like 60% off. These are the bigger 15 milliliter bottles, which, again, I don't tend to really enjoy the bigger bottles of nail polish just because I don't go through them very quickly. And sometimes if like they sit there for a while, they just kind of go bad. Also, all the polishes I'm showing you are gel polishes. I love these bottles. So very pretty. All right, so here are the Christmas colors. The first one is Holiday Star TS01. And it's this creamy white with these red and green flakes in it. The next is Jingle Bells TS02. Ooh, look at all that glitter. It looks like it's a clear base with like gold and copper glitter and red and green sequins in it. So very nice for the holiday. And then the last one is called Christmas Wreath TS03. And this one I feel like you can use for much more than just Christmas because it's a clear base with like purple, yellow, blue, green, and red sparkles. Like, you could probably use this for New Year's or a birthday set or some whatever celebration. I just really liked this. I think out of the three, the Holiday Star and the Jingle Bells are my favorite, but not disappointed to have all three, and these bottles are just gorgeous. These next three come from the same collection, the Summer Lights collection. I did not get the whole collection. I only got 3 colors. Out of the 6, I think there are. Since I did end up buying all of these individually, they did come in the bigger bottles, as well as they all came with their own separate magnets. So I'm just going to put the other 2 magnets on my desk, and we'll use one of them. And let's see. Okay, so the first one is Summer Light MY430. Ooh, look at that. It's like a deep blue base with like a purple reflect. So pretty. Then Summer Lights MY433, which this one is like a pink base with a like bluey purple shift. Oh, can you see that? Can't see that one as well in the bottle. I hope that the swatch comes out as well, because online it looked so pretty. And then Summer Lights MY434, which this one, ugh, a magenta-y base with like a bluey in it. So pretty. Again, I hope these swatched so much better than like they're actually showing on just the little like out of the bottle. And again, I love these huge, the big bottle packaging, I love so much. It looks so like elegant. And last but not least, my 3 ones that I just got. They go, I think, with certain collections, but I just got them individually. The first one is from a fruits collection. It's called Apple MY291. These are also all magnetics. And this one just reminded me of my birthstone. Peridot, August. I've grown to love that birthstone, but I didn't always. Just really nice. It's just like a nice vibrant green. It has a nice shine to it. Sunset Gaze MY231. I think this one was just by itself, like released by itself. And it is just a dark blue background with a gold running through it. So pretty. Then Scarlet Jade. I got this with like Halloween in mind because it is like a red jelly base with green reflect. And I thought, how cool maybe to do like an evil queen look. Again, I hope the swatches are showing up a little bit better than like what just the brush is showing, because they look so pretty. And last but not least is Arctic Blue MY241. This one just looked ethereal. It's like a periwinkle with bluey pink. Oh my gosh, look at that shine. I just love it so much. So yeah, that is the haul. I think I ended up spending about like $48 on all of this after everything was said and done. I hope you enjoyed the swatches. I hope you enjoyed the haul. I can't wait to use my plate. I will try to link everything down in the description box below in case something tickled your fancy. You can check it out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!